Okay, what we have here is an HP dv4 broken power jack. I'm going to show you the charge light is right here between the power light and the hard drive light. Going to plug it in, and no charge light. Going to force it into position, and charge light comes on. I can't tell if you can see that. Charge light on again. I'll give you a close-up. Okay, here's a close-up shot of the battery light, battery charging light, hard drive light, power light, right in the middle. Force the jack down into place, and voila. See if you can see how well or how broken that is. Going to take it apart and replace the jack. Alright, we have the HP dv4. This is after the DC jack replacement. This DC jack is actually on a cable as well. Replaced the jack, and just to show you, charge light comes on immediately after plugging in the battery or in the DC AC adapter. And just to show you that it works. Start normally. Notice if I wiggle this, the light stays on now. No problem. And as you can see, Windows is loading. And there we go. Good working laptop.